Hi everyone, my name is Nona and my matric number is F2200061. Today, I'm going to share about my internship journey at Nona for manufacturing. 16 weeks may sound long, but every day was packed with new lessons, challenges, proud moments. Let's go through the highlights together. Before I continue, I want to acknowledge the people who made this journey possible. My supervisors, Ms. Intan Suryahanim, Lee Min-jin, guided me with patience and expertise. The R&D team welcomed me warmly and treated me like the part of the family. My lectures gave me the foundation I needed to succeed, and my family supported me every step of the way. This internship wasn't just my achievement, it was the result of these people standing behind me. My most valuable experience wasn't just about technical skills. It was about learning how to balance independence with guidance. For example, in the oyster sauce project, my supervisor prepared the formulation, but I was responsible for cooking the batches, checking parameters like pH, brace, water activity, salt, and preparing samples for the evaluation. That responsibility taught me that patience and teamwork are the backbone of food technology. If I had to choose one memory that really stood out, it would be the sensory evaluation session for Surikaya. I organized the entire process, setting up the panel, preparing samples, and compiling the result. Watching people taste and give feedback made me realize how science and consumer experience blend together to shape a product. It was a proud moment because I managed the whole process from start to finish. Nona Food Manufacturing is a powerhouse in Malaysia's food industry. It started as a family business, famous for ketupat and sauces, and grew into a household name. Cocoland, on the other hand, began in 1980 with free trading before becoming internationally recognized for its Lot 100 gummies. Today, both companies are united under Fraser and Nis Holding, operating from a modern facility in Rawang. What impressed me most was how they balanced tradition with innovation, keeping Malaysian heritage alive while meeting global standards. Moving on to our team structure, I would like to take a moment to introduce the Research and Development Organization chart. This structure is designed to streamline our innovation process from high-level strategy down to practical laboratory execution. At the end of our department is the Research and Development Manager, who oversees the strategic direction, budgeting, and overarching goals to our R&D initiative. Reporting directly to them is our Manager of Product Development. The role is pivotal in bridging the gap between strategic concept and actual execution, directly supervising the core team to ensure our project transitions smoothly from ideas to tangible product. Under the guidance of the Product Development Manager, we have the diverse multidisciplinary execution team consisting of 5 key roles. Food Technologies is responsible for formulating, testing, and ensuring the quality and safety standards of our food innovation. R&D executives handles project coordination, documentation, and support technical development pipelines to keep our workflows efficient. Lab assistant manage our daily laboratory operation, maintaining equipment, ensuring safety, compliance, and supporting ongoing experiments. There are 2 interns, and we also house 2 dedicated internships within the team, providing valuable support to core staff while fostering fresh talent and new perspective in our pipeline. Let's talk about the products, because this company makes a lot more than you might expect. Under the Nona brand, they produce ketupat nasi, kuih, oyster sauce, custard powder, tom yum paste, cooking paste, dessert premixes, jelly powders, and other traditional Malaysian foods essential. These are the products you will find in homes during festive season like Hari Raya. On the Cocoland side, the Lot 100 gummies are the star. Mango, grape, apple, sour gummies, all exported to more than 40 countries. But beyond gummies, they also make chocolate-coated cakes, wafer rolls, hard candies, full beverage, and extracted snacks. And beyond their own brands, Nona also provides OEM services, producing for other companies while maintaining strict halal and international standards. Seeing the wide range of products made me realize how diverse and powerful Malaysian food industry really is. What did I actually do every day? During my time there, I was placed in the delivery team, which was an incredible hands-on experience. My core responsibilities revolved around formulating and developing staples like oyster sauce, tomato sauce, and chili sauce. But it wasn't just about the sauces. I also got to dive into the snack world, working on a wide variety of snack seasoning and complex flavor profiles. It was a fast-paced environment where balancing taste, consistency, and formulation accuracy was key to hitting the perfect savory note. My daily routine included quality checks, pH, salt, viscosity, moisture testing, plus pilot-scale processing of sauces and coating. I also ran a sensory evaluation, managed data in Excel, and even joined packaging audits and sustainability projects. Every day felt like a new lesson in disciplines, teamwork, and adaptability. Let me tell you about my first big project, the corn study. Imagine standing in front of a huge extraction machine, monitoring different formulation while the product is puffing out at high speed. I had to collect samples at 5, 15, and 30 minutes, measure the dimension, and check moisture content. It wasn't just numbers. It was about understanding how tiny changes in formulation could affect the stability of the whole process. Logging all that data into Google Sheet gave us insight into which recipe worked best. It felt like being part of a real production trial, not just a classroom experiment. My second project was the diction snack prototyping. This was about creating a new pellet formulation that could match the famous diction cracker. I started with a literature review, then moved to the lab to prepare the prototype. The real test came when we fried the pellets at 180 degrees for 50 seconds. I compared them with the commercial benchmark from Indonesia. The flavor was spot on and the motion control was perfect. But the expansion wasn't as big as the control. That moment taught me that R&D is about iteration. You don't always get it right at the first time, but every trial brings you closer to the goal. While the project wasn't fully finished by the end of my term, I'm confident it will be carried forward by the future interns or permanent R&D staff. After times, our ultimate goal is to successfully launch our very own proprietary diction snack cracker formulation. The project combines science with creativity. For the cheese snack, I prepared 3 versions: control, cheese A, and cheese B. The distribution them for sensory evolution. It was fun seeing people debate with each other tasted better. Then came the mee goreng mamak sauce project. I weighed the ingredients, cooked the batches, and checked parameters like pH and breaks. Finally, prepared the dish with noodles, eggs, and tofu. The best part was the sensory session with the R&D team. Everyone gathered around, tasting, and giving feedback. It felt like a mix of lab work and culinary art, and I loved every second of it. This internship was a game changer. I learned that food product development is about chemistry, consumer feedback, and production engineering all working together. I built confidence, communication skills, and time management. Most importantly, I discovered resilience and adaptability, qualities that will guide me as a future food technologist. I've also included suggestions for the factory, like preparatory workshop on documents and food regulation, and for the industry, like adopting advanced R&D software and streaming raw material sourcing. As for myself, I know I need to keep improving in data management and continuous training. And that's a wrap. You can see all my supporting documents in data in the appendix. Thank you so much for listening, and I look forward to taking this valuable lesson into my career as a technologist.